And now from the White House, the President of the United States.
Thank you. I just got back from the family compound up there in Kennebunkport Bay, that whole area up there. Having the speedboat going around and around, doing loop-de-loops. Yes, sir, did some fishing. Didn't catch any. Not the point. Got out there on that water, got into that relaxation mode, recharged the batteries. Yes, sir, you know, I feel good. Voice low, getting lower. Doctors tell me it can go lower, even still. The whining, screeching, thing of the past. Got some tough problems to tackle in the economy. Got unemployment right up here in that area. Consumer spending right down in here. Got a special plan to revive the economy, but I'm not going to reveal it now. Wouldn't be prudent at this juncture. Got those people over there wanting me to do that thing, Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna say, live from New York, it's Saturday night!
You're watching Community Access Television, Cable 10, Aurora, Illinois.
Wayne's World! Party time! Excellent!
Okay, once again, it's time for Wayne's World. Here's your excellent host, Wayne Campbell.
Okay, excellent. Right. It's 10:30. It's Friday night. It's time to party. And I'm your excellent host, Wayne Campbell. And with me, as usual, is Garth.
Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth. Okay, excellent. All right. First of all, I'd like to explain the noise you're hearing that's coming from upstairs. See, my parentals are having a wild party tonight.
Yeah, parents can be so weird when they're wasted.
Yeah, totally. Okay, on tonight's show, we'd like to feature another edition of Movie World! Excellent! Movie World! Woo! Excellent. Okay, excellent.
Good one.
Okay. The first flick we'd like to take a look at stars James Caan and Bette Midler in a musical drama, For the Boys. Personally, I didn't see it. Garth?
I didn't see it either, Wayne.
Okay, excellent. Okay, moving right along. Our next flick stars Robert De Niro, Nick Nolte, and that fine babe, Jessica Lange.
What a fox! Swing!
In the new one, Cape Fear. Excellent flick.
Mega excellent.
I really enjoyed it.
I liked it too.
I thought it was excellent.
It was good. It was so scary, I didn't sleep for days.
Okay, excellent. Unnecessary there!
Unnecessary to blow! Unnecessary to blow! Okay. All right.
Okay, excellent.
Good
okay,
buzz.
excellent
Good buzz.
surprise zoom. Okay, excellent. Okay, our next movie, the new animated flick by Disney, Beauty and the Beast, wasn't so much a movie as it was a true essay on the definition of beauty. I mean, beneath the cute cartoon characters looms an ominous subtext which examines the beauty from within. Garth?
Well, I thought it sucked.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, all right, excellent. Okay, moving right along. Okay, our next flick, The Butcher's Wife, stars a blonde Demi Moore. Right.
As if. I'm so sure.
Okay, excellent. All right, and finally, the last flick we were going to take a look at, The Addams Family.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. The Addams Family.
Yeah, I thought it really sucked. I mean, you know, it was like totally bogus. You know, what a waste of film.
Yeah, maybe a rental.
Yeah, so we're not
Maybe.
even going to discuss that one tonight. We're going to get right into a preview of the new Batman 2 flick.
Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm not worthy.
Okay.
I'm not worthy.
Okay, excellent. Calm down, Garth. Take your Ritalin. Okay, excellent.
Okay.
This new Batman 2 flick is going to star the fine Michelle Pfeiffer as the
Yeah.
Catwoman.
Yeah.
That's one stray cat I let into my house any day of the week.
Yeah, she's excellent. Okay.
Nig excellent.
Okay, well, that's all the time we have for this week's show. So until next week, party on, Gar.
Party on, Wayne.
Wayne's World! Party time!
Party, party, hardy. Woo!
Excellent!
All right.
Once again, it's time for Hans and Franz, the informative training show for the serious bodybuilder.
Okay, welcome. We are back.
Yeah, we are back.
Once again, I am Hans.
And I am Franz.
And we just
want to pump you up. All right. First off, on this week's show, we would like to get something cleared up right away.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people out there who are accusing us of being involved with steroids.
Yeah, they are right. But let me explain. To us, steroids are something different.
Yeah, that is right, Hans. They are the people who stop on the street and stare at our amazing pumpnitude.
Hence the term
Steroids!
All right, enough talk. We're not here to talk. We're here to pump.
You up!
All right. Now I should like to read a letter that was sent in from one of our viewers. He writes, Dear Hans and Franz, I can't believe your moronic show is still on the air. Neither one of you is in very good shape. Whatever happened to flexibility?
Listen to me now and hear me later, my friend. I will show you the meaning of the word flexibility.
Sorry about that, Cousin Arnold.
Yeah, I bumped into Cousin Arnold. No respect, no disrespect intended.
No disrespect.
Yeah.
You might think that this letter would make us mad, but I am not mad. I am only sad for this little girly man.
Yeah, that is right. Because after his girlfriend looks at our properly pumped bodies, she will realize she is cuddling up with the roly-poly girly man.
Yeah. We could easily take the fat from around your waist and stretch it into a cape. Then you could be a new superhero.
Flabberman!
Have a gander at this. All right. Good pump, Franzi.
Okay. Yeah. Another viewer wrote in this week to us also and posed this question. Dear Hans and Franz, is it legal to have such puppitude in public?
Well, I don't need a license to carry these muscles.
Yeah, don't be pulling my rock-hard leg.
Yeah, actually, our properly pumped physiques are registered with the FBI.
Yeah, and the CIA, and the KGB.
Yeah, and the SPCA too, my friend. Yeah, well, unfortunately, that's all the time we have on this week's show, Franzi. So until next week, I am Hans.
And I am Franz. And we just want to pump you up.
You've reached Vidal Sassoon Super Shops. We're styling hair in fantastic new ways with new Vidal Sassoon Scrunch Spray Styling Mousse Gel. Jackie's hair holds and shines. David's hair sculpts like clay. New Vidal Sassoon Scrunch Spray Styling Mousse Gel, because if you don't look good, you don't look good. All right, enough talk. We're not here to talk.
We're here to pump you up.
All right, now I would like to read a letter that was mailed in from one of our viewers. He writes us, Dear Hans and Franz, I can't believe your moronic show is still on the air. Neither one of you is in very good shape. Whatever happened to flexibility?
Listen to me now and hear me later, my friend. I will show you the meaning of the word flexibility.
All right, good flex.
All right.
You might think that this letter would make us mad, but I am not mad. I am only sad for this little girly man.
Yeah, that is right. Because after looking at our rock-hard bodies,
his girlfriend will realize she is cuddling up with a roly-poly girly man. Yeah, we could